guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Yes, I'm in my pajamas today. Apparently I didn't feel like changing out of my robe, but we're gonna change anyways. We have 4 summer Pinterest outfits where I take my Pinterest board outfits and recreate them using items I already have in my own wardrobe. So let's do it. Guys, this office is like driving me nuts. But also I've been doing the most recently, so I just need to calm down. And we're just it'll get there eventually. He is thriving. I'm gonna bring him downstairs, I think, and put a different plant up here. Nobody cares. Let's do it. You guys know the drill. My filming has been all over the place because I did nothing to prepare for these 2 weeks that Arlo's home from school. I'm kicking myself. But you know, here we are, so we're gonna get it done. But let's go ahead and jump in. I've got my first outfit. So cute. Ooh, I think I might save this for the last. No, I'm gonna change anyways because I have a doctor's appointment and I'm going to the gym right after the doctor's appointment, so. Anyway, let's do it. First outfit, super cute, very basic, but so good. I'm already itching for fall, okay? I know, most people are not, but I am. Not that these outfits are very fall-like, but I don't know, navy at least makes me feel a little fall-like. So let's put on, I think she has navy linen pants. So let's pop those on real quick. I just realized I have toothpaste over my pajamas. Oh, Lord help us all. Okay, so I think hers are a little low rise. We're gonna see if by tucking these, I can get that same vibe. We're gonna put on a little tank top. My Glisson, whatever. Tank top real quick, and then we'll accessorize. Get off this toothpaste. Okay, so cute. Look at this. If I was staying in real close for the day, I would have kept this because it's so cute. Because I don't get my hair done for another like 3 weeks. My roots are nuts, but it's not too bad. Okay. Base of the outfit on. She has a little more like midriff showing than I do. But whatever. Okay. Let's put on, I think she has black flip-flops. I wore my Havaianas when we were in Colorado, like by the reservoir. And they're, no matter what, I like scrubbed them. They're still caked in like mud. So I need to figure something out with that, but cute base. These are just the like teak sort of dupes, whatever, I don't know. Just a baseball cap on to cover my, I have a pimple in between my eyebrows, which I have not had one of those. Those feel like horrible. Like not horrible, but like, here's the deal. That used to be my like breeding ground for pimples when I was young. So like, I haven't had one in between my eyebrows in many years. I'm too old for that crap. Like, what the heck is going on? I'm like literally about to be 40 and I still break out. I'm not about to be 40, but you know what I mean. I've got some time. Why did my hair look cute? And then as soon as I start brushing it out, it looked tragic. Because I need a haircut, that's why. Kind of ratty. And I like slept on them, but then I was like, I'm gonna curl my hair anyways. And I knew I shouldn't have. I should have just washed my hair. Based on, and then she just has kind of like she's about to like throw a striped sweater around her waist. This is what I would wear for the rest of the day. It's so cute. I love so much. It's just plain, it's simple, but it's adorable. And it's like slightly giving more fall. I don't know why, probably with the like linen pants that are dark, but I love this outfit so like. Did we nail it? I think we nailed it. Super cute though. Love this look. Adorable. Okay, I think we nailed it. Let's move on to look number 2, which is a cute one. I've had this pinned on my Pinterest board for years, and I have all the things to recreate it, and I have yet to recreate it. So today is its lucky day, you know? So let's put on a white poplin skirt. So she has like a racerback tank. So let's put on a racerback tank. I don't know why. Let's put on our tank top before I lose my brains. But I haven't already lost them. This is the base, the white on white. Very cute. Very cute indeed. Okay, and then she has fisherman sandals. So, oh, my hammies are tight. Let's put those on. I started working out again for the first time in like 2 months, which is by far the longest that I have like not worked out for and since I started working out. So yeah, it feels a little strange to get back in, but it honestly feels like kind of the break I needed to like fall back in love, get back into the motivation, get back into the like, I don't know, just get back into it, you know? So anyway, I'm sore. Oh my God. Okay, today I'm gonna work out arms. Cause I worked out arms last week and they were sore for a while. Gosh, this hair. I would have already had my hair done by now, but I like put it off because we were traveling. It wasn't that bad yet, so I was like, oh, I could probably put it off a little bit longer. Why? Why, girl? Probably because getting your hair done is so expensive. I mean, I know why. I get the price as to why. Okay, this is feeling too spring. No. I'm gonna just use the same scarf twice because I like this scarf and I think this scarf will look cute with this outfit. But yeah, I just feel like I've been putting it off. And also like, it's not bad, but it needs a haircut. Needs a little shaping, if you will. Cute. I know some girls don't like the whatchamajigget, but couldn't be me. Couldn't be me. Okay, hold on. I think I'm gonna pull the skirt up just a tiny bit because show up the shoes. I think the brown in this really works too. The brown shoes. What do we think? Her? Me? I think we kind of nailed it. I think it's adorable. Honestly, this is so freaking cute. Every time I do this, I'm just like, girl, put these clothes on. Wear them. You know? I have a feeling most of the girls that love fashion and all that, but also love to be comfortable, like, we struggle with that. It's a daily struggle. All right, let's move on to look number 2. We're gonna keep the same scarf. We're doing a headscarf moment. Again, I know for people that don't like it, probably not an outfit for you, but I think it's cute. You know what I need to do is get back into stretching. That's what I need to do. Oh, my egg and bones. Let's put on our Goldie Luna jeans. I think these are the exact jeans she has on, but I have an idea. I just realized I have like white in like all these outfits. I like white. Okay. She has a pair of like mesh flats. I don't know what I thought I was gonna do for that. I'm definitely not gonna put on black mesh flats. Ooh, I washed these recently. And tail. Okay. Let's put on, she has like a ribbed white tee, not a tank. Just pop that on. I need to fix my brows. Guys, I'm so into puzzling right now. Puzzling's normally my like winter activity, if you will. But I've recently, when we were in Colorado, well, right before Colorado, I was helping Arlo put together this like Lego thing on our dining room table for like a month because I didn't want to do it by myself, and he was just like, he had to be in the mood to do it. I'm like, okay, whatever. I think I'm gonna go with these sandals. And so it took forever, but whatever. It like lived on our dining room table, and I kind of liked that idea since we don't eat on our formal dining room table. nearly as much as we should. Hold on, I gotta view and see how she does this. I was like, ooh, I should just do a puzzle. Ooh, I should do this. I was like, oh, I should just do a puzzle on the table. And I did. Finished that before we left for Colorado. And then when we were in Colorado, to do more puzzles because she kept bringing them out. And I was like, I mean, tempt me with a good time because I love a puzzle. And so I did 2 while I was there. And when we came home, I did 1 more, the one that I bought in Colorado. But here's my deal. I think my housekeeper vacuumed up one of my pieces. So I just put my headband in there. I'm gonna see if that'll work. So I couldn't finish it because I was missing a piece. This is not working. Ma'am. Anyway, so I did the National Bluffs or whatever it is. I did that puzzle. So, I don't know what I'm doing here, people. My hair is driving me nutty. Anyway, so then I was like on a kick. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. Distracted. Puzzles. And I just started another one last night. And every time I start a puzzle, I'm like, oh my god, this is so easy. And then I'm like, wait, yeah, of course. The beginning is always easy. That's how they get ya. That's how they get ya. I need to like put it out of my hair, on my face so that I can tie it. You know what I mean? Yeah! Gah! Oh my god. Lord help us. How do these girls do it and look so dang cute? Oh my god, I'm failing. Just gonna look at it from the front. From the side, girl. From the side, girl. It's giving. I'm an elf. I don't know how people do this. It's so cute on her. I have hair in my lipstick, lip gloss in my hair. But I have to show you this lip gloss really quick. Oh my god. Because you guys know I'm like such an Edam fan. But Vitamasks released this Lip Maxi Glaze in Pink Marshmallow. So good. I don't know why I'm putting it in these pants. I'm wearing it for the rest of the day. I'm not. This is really cute. Here's my thoughts with headscarves. So they're just like adorable. But it's one of those things that makes you feel like a fraud at first. Like you feel like, this isn't my style. But it's also so cute. All right, her, I, her. This is adorable though. It's very basic, cute. Why don't I wear things like this, you know? Whatever. Cute. Look number 3. All right. I want to wear headscarves. I want to be better with this, but for now, I can't. I'm like hairs everywhere. Okay, let's move on to the last outfit. I honestly might stay in this for the doctors and then for editing this video and then go to the doctors because my gym doesn't open back up for the kids center until 4. The doctor's appointment's at 1. I don't think it'll take that long. I don't know. Let's put on our linen shorts because she's got this like coastal thing. Mine's gonna not look exactly like hers. Hello, welcome to the party. They never do. We do our best, okay? That's what this is about. Doing our best. So I decided to go with my mediums, I think too. Yeah. My medium linen shorts because hers are a bit more like oversized. Hers are poplin, mine are not. I don't know, anytime I go to buy poplin pants, I want them. Every time I do, they give like hospital? I don't know how to explain it, but let's put on a little, the thing that I just put there. Let's put on a little striped polo style thing. This definitely screams more fall to me with the coloring and just everything, but it's the closest that I have to what she has in the picture. I'm gonna do a cuff on my shorts just to like kind of give myself a little more material or less material because this top is so big. This is a men's from circa, I think I got this like 2 or 3 years ago from Target. It's so cute. Like I love the rugby style. It's Levi's, you know, in 2 different colors. But obviously hers is more of like summery. I feel like this is a good like fall transition piece for us girls who live where, you know, it's 100 million degrees in the fall. But it's turned out cute. I like this. I forgot that I didn't forget that I have this. I just haven't worn it in forever. I do wish that I didn't get such a big size. I think I got like a double XL or something insane like that. No, just a single XL. But for men's, it's huge, but it's honestly so cute. Gives carefree. I think these are still gonna be really big this season. This like collegiate style rugby situation, and I'm kind of here for it. So that was it, you guys. These were my 4 summer hair on my face, pimple on my forehead, falling apart over here. Just trying to make it till next Tuesday, okay? Guys, just trying to make it one more week. But yeah, that is it. It's gonna wrap up my 4 summer Pinterest. I'm ready for fall though. I'm ready to start talking about it at least. I will still continue to show summer outfits, but here's the deal. No one's buying for summer anymore. People are buying for fall. So whether, I mean, summer's still here. I'm still gonna show my summer outfits, but I'm gonna start talking about fall stuff towards middle of the month. So brace yourself. I'm giving you like some time. I'm not going August 1st fall, okay? We're gonna ease into it a tad bit, but it's coming. A wish list, trends type of video. I'm going to start talking about it. So I love you guys. Thank you all for watching. As always, I want to know what your favorite outfit was in comments down below. I think this is just so cute. It's very like me, very slouchy, very just comparable. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one very soon. Love you, bye.